Let's build some energy in our bodies. This is a great thing to do if you've been sitting or you want to have a great start to your day. So get loose, let your knees bend, and then just start to swing your body side to side. The key to this is to let your arms be really loose, like they have no bones or muscles. And once you start to really twist, let the heel on one side lift as the arms come to the other. And then you can start to bend your knees and get a little stronger. And finally, add a little sound that goes ha, 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 ha. Might even be like you're laughing. You can give yourself a pat on the back if you've been working hard. Feels good to just give that gentle little pat. And then you can bring the arms back down. Let yourself start to slow down. And then when you come to stop, take a moment to let your arms and your hands be down at your sides with your palms facing forward. Let your eyes look down or maybe even close them. See if you feel a little more awake, tingly, or maybe a little bit happier. Add a smile. And a deep breath. And hopefully, you're ready to go.